Get a feel for the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps, premium sound system, heated mirrors, heated rear seat. Superior elegance meets world-class off-road capability in this incredible Range Rover. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.